Hello, children. I am number 37. 3 and 7 together make number 37.
Welcome back, children. Today we will learn about number 37. This is number 37. 3 and 7 together make number 37. It comes after 36 and before 38. Let's count the pictures and learn this number together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28. 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37. Yes, there are total 37 books. Very good, children.
Hello, children. I am the letter T. I have many friends on this page. All their names start with T.
Hello, children. I am number 2. I come after 1 and before 3. Hello, children. I am a toothbrush. I keep your teeth clean.
Hello, children. I am a train. I run fast on tracks.
Hello, children. I am a tiger. I am strong and striped.
Hello, children. I am a triangle. I have 3 sides.
Hello, children. I am a turtle. I move slowly with my shell.
Welcome back, children. Today we will learn about the letter T. Look at these pictures. This is number 2. This is a toothbrush. It keeps our teeth clean. This is a triangle. It has 3 sides. This is a tiger. It is strong and striped. This is a train. It runs on tracks. All these words start with the letter T. Great job, children. See you all in next session. Keep practicing. Bye-bye.
Hello, children. I am number 39. 3 and 9 together make number 39.
Welcome back, children. Today we will learn about number 39. This is number 39. 3 and 9 together make number 39. It comes after 38 and before 40. Let's count the pictures and learn this number together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28. 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39. Yes, there are total 39 pieces. Very good, children. See you all in next session. Keep practicing. Bye-bye.
Hello, friends. I am the lotus. I grow in water but always stay clean and beautiful. I am the national flower of India.
Hi, everyone. I am the mango. I am sweet, juicy, and called the king of fruits. I am the national fruit of our country. Hope you enjoy my taste.
Welcome back, children. Look at this beautiful flower. It is the lotus. It grows in water and looks very pure and pretty. The lotus is the national flower of India. Now see this tasty fruit? It is the mango. It is sweet, juicy, and loved by everyone. The mango is our national fruit. Healthy fruits help us grow strong. Very good, children.
Hello.
The farmer plants the seed. The farmer plants the seed. He ho, the cherry ho. The farmer plants the seed. The rain begins to fall. The sun begins to shine. The plant begins to grow. And the flower smiles at me.
Hello, children. I am number 40. 4 and 0 together make number 40.
Welcome back, children. Today we will learn about number 40. This is number 40. 4 and 0 together make number 40. It comes after 39 and before 41. Let's count the pictures and learn this number together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28. 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. Yes, there are total 40 cars. Very good, children.
Hello, friends. I am the tiger. I am strong, brave, and powerful. I am the national animal of India.
everyone. I am the peacock. I'm colorful and graceful. When it rains, I love to dance with my beautiful feathers.
Welcome back, children. Today we will learn about our national animal and bird. This is the tiger. It is strong, brave, and powerful. The tiger is the national animal of India. Now look at this beautiful bird. This is the peacock. It is colorful and graceful. It is our national bird. Let's care for wildlife and keep nature safe. Very good, children.